To start creating your automation, go to the Automations tab and click Create. Here, select an automation template or start from scratch. Let's create a welcome automation and go for the simple welcome template. On the setup screen, you can change the name of your automation. It's only visible to you. Below, choose whether contacts should repeat the automation and adjust tracking options. Once done, click Next. The automation template consists of the trigger and an automated email. Click on the trigger to see its settings. Here, you can choose if you want to send your automation to imported contacts. This option is disabled by default, but I'll enable it by clicking the toggle. Then click Save and Close. Click on Add Filter if you want to include or exclude contacts from your automation based on multiple criteria such as tags, fields, or subscription source. Next, click on the Send Email step to edit it. On the setup screen, you can change your email's name. It's only visible to you. Enter your sender name and from email address. We've already filled in the subject line and preview text for you, but you can adjust those if you'd like. Once done, click Save and Next. In the content stage, you'll be able to design your email. Since we used an automation template, the default template here is our welcome template. You can adjust it to your liking. If you'd like to use one of your saved templates or a pre-made one, click Design and select your template. Adjust it if needed, and when you're finished, click Save and Close. Take a moment to review your automation and its settings. Click the settings icon next to the Start button. If everything looks good, click Start to activate it. And that's it. From now on, every new contact who joins your list will get your welcome email. If you want to add more emails to your automation later, just pause the automation by clicking on the Status button, then Paused. Whenever you're done, just click on Active to start your automation.